Alright y'all, so let's talk a little bit about this product. As you guys saw from the beginning of the video, I washed my hair with my Nexus, of course, shampoo and conditioned, and then I went ahead and used this as a treatment. This product has a ton of claims, which I'm going to get into, but I just want to explain a little bit further what I did. I didn't even sit underneath the dryer. I just walked around with a plastic cap for about 25 minutes and went ahead and styled my hair as usual. I just want to do like a slick ponytail and twist out because that is what I was referred to from a little post to do. So that's what I did, and today I'm going to be taking out my twist and talking about this product right here. So a little bit of backstory. This is the Aphrogee Shea Pro Leave-In Moisturizer. I actually saw this post right here from Pinterest that says, if you're a natural hair girly, you need this. It leaves your curls so defined and shiny, zero frizz. I can do a slick back bun with this alone and have very minimal flyaways. A hairdresser recommended it and I never looked back. This is my third jar. I saw it on Pinterest and I was like, ooh, that sounds interesting. It sounds like a product I want to try for you guys because I did pick this up at my local beauty supply store. It is, of course, not a professional product. It's Aphrogee, a brand we know and love, but I'd never heard of this particular product before, so I was highly intrigued. Now, she said she uses this for like slick back ponytail, so I want to try like it in a slicking motion. She also said that it defined her curls and had it shiny. Now, those are all of her claims. Let's talk about what the jar is saying, okay? It says that this is a leave-in moisturizer, imparts elasticity and softness and protects against frizz. On the back of it, it says imparts healing moisture to leave hair soft and manageable, formulated for coarse, damaged, dry hair. The directions say to apply to ends of damp or dry hair. This is the consistency of the product. It's really loose and movable, really creamy. I would actually be very iffy about applying this to my dry hair. I guess it depends on the state of my dry hair. Like right now, as you can see, a little bit of my back is coming down. I might apply some more there and see what it does. Work it in the ends towards the roots. Comb through for even distribution, allowed to dry naturally. So this is not something you use when you're going to do a silk press or anything blow dried, I'm assuming. They didn't say apply heat to it, which is very interesting. For more of an intense treatment, cover with a plastic cap for 30 minutes, do not rinse. So I want to get like the most intensity out of this, and I went ahead and applied it for a plastic cap for 25 minutes. I didn't have a whole 30 minutes to sit around with this product in my hair. I just did 25 minutes and I feel like it did the most that it was going to do. I went ahead and put my styling products on top of this. I used my Mousse Def Foam and I used my Cream of Nature, A Curl Can Dream cream on this part right here to do my little twist out, but everything else is just this. So as you can see, this is how my hair is looking right now. Let's address it one by one. So they said it imparts elasticity. I can't really say that because I've only used it one time. As far as softness, it is soft. It is soft. I can say it's soft, but when I was putting this product in my hair, it did not help with the detangling process. It also did not define my curls and I did not see a ton of shine. Maybe it did the whole fight against frizz thing. To me, when I was putting it in section by section, it was taking a lot to really saturate my hair and it was damp, so that's saying a lot. I didn't like it really. I don't really think it's like a miracle like the girl said on her tweet. I don't think it's that good. Maybe it is for her. Who knows? This product could be old or it could be illegitimate, but I personally don't find any value in it. I'm glad I didn't pay a lot for it because I don't think it's something that'll be for me. It didn't define my curls. To me, as you can see, it didn't really give any shine either. Like my hair has been way shinier than this. It did a good job slicking it and I don't see any frizz, and this is no gel, no cream on this part of my hair right here, and that's fine and dandy, but I paid like $8 for that. I don't really see a ton of value in it and I don't see any shine to say I left it on for 20 minutes. Like right now I'm putting some oil on it and watch the difference. You see that shine already? Yeah, it didn't. No. So this one ain't it. We're gonna go back to our regularly scheduled program of trying out the Redken, the Amika. I know one person left a comment and said they wanted me to try some Verb products. So if you're interested in me trying something by Verb, definitely let me know. I think it's in my salon centric. So whenever I make a trip there, I might pick something up because they're also not very expensive at all. I knew that the product was going to be kind of confused once I saw everything, not only that it claimed, but everything that they wanted it to do. The fact that it's a leave-in moisturizer that you can get a intense treatment with a plastic cap, like that doesn't really make sense. But I feel like that's Aphrogee really reaching and doing a lot. I also don't like tons of chemicals in the product. Aphrogee is known to have a lot of chemicals in their products and in their treatments and stuff, but I don't feel like a leave-in moisturizer should have that many chemicals. That's a little crazy. I don't know, I'm not really a huge fan of it, so let me just talk about who I feel like this would be good for. It reminded me of a lot of the product Live in that creamy, greasy way. Once I put it in my hair, it kind of like greased down and made it hard to comb through. So the fact that they wanted me to comb through my hair to evenly distribute it, it was hard to comb through. Like you see right now how I'm taking my twist out apart, it's very like not shiny. This part of my hair is soft, but this is not soft. I would not repurchase this, and I also would not recommend it to you guys. And that's why I always say don't run out and purchase products that you find are popular. And I was basically just going off of a Pinterest post, so that one right there was my bad. I just want to try something different for you guys until I get to that Redken and that Amika and maybe some Verb. So this is my review on the Aphrogee Shea Pro Leave-In Moisturizer. If you find it in your beauty supply store, just probably go ahead and leave it where it's at because it's not worth it. As a professional licensed cosmetologist, I would say leave it where it's at, because there are many leave-ins that are better than that ones. There are many styling creams that are better than this. So I would say this would work good for maybe kids' hair when you're trying to plait their hair and they need a moisturizer for that. It's not terrible, but it's also not great. It's not even that good. And I'm always looking for good curl definition products. I don't really worry about fright and frizz. So now I know this one is not it. I paid $8 for it, so it's not that much of a loss, but I definitely would not repurchase. So that is my ending thoughts on that product right here. Your girl's gonna go back to her professional products. Now y'all see why I don't cross back over the bridge too often, because professional products usually I get a little bit of a better result than this. It did nothing, and I didn't like the results of it. I didn't. So I hope you all enjoyed this little video. If you've used this product, please let me know in the comments. Let me know if it worked a little bit better for you. Let me know what you think. If you've seen it before, if you know someone who used it, I would love to hear from you. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at everything by Maja, and I'll see you in next week's video.